Hi, I am Sriram. I basically belong to a small town Nayagarh from the state of Odisha. I have completed my graduation in 2019 with computer science as my trade from beauty board. So I completed my graduation in 2019, but it's 2022 today. So as you know, during the pandemic period, it was really difficult for us. So, but after some time in 2021, I got a call from Qspiders and I joined. So at the first, it was online classes going on due to the restrictions in Bangalore. But later we joined in Btm Qspiders. So, but today, after 7 months of my joining, I'm holding an offer from Emphasis. And being a student, being a pass out student in 2019 with CGPA less than 6.0 and also an intermediate less than 60%, it is really difficult to get a job. But with proper guidance from my mentors and particularly Rame ma'am, I would like to thank. I got the opportunity, and apart from Rame ma'am, I also got help from Darshan sir, and I'd especially like to thank Rakshit sir, the HR, who actually arranged my interview with Emphasis. And thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Qspiders.